Hello guys, welcome back to Dub Chinese. Hi there, Gloria. Today we are going to learn some food slang in Cantonese. Are you thirsty now? Don't be. The food slang that we are going to learn today is totally unrelated to food at all. Let's see what they are. Number 1, Dai Taoha. Dai Taoha. Oh, it's room. I like ha a lot because it's the same sounds of laughter. Ha ha ha. It brings joy to us. But wait, Dai Taoha is used to describe someone is careless and forgetful. 我唔記得帶鎖匙啊！我唔記得帶鎖匙啊！I 唔記得 forget 帶 bring 鎖匙 key 我唔記得帶鎖匙啊！ I forgot to bring my keys. Then my mom must say, "Oh, how forgetful you are!" 乜你咁大頭蝦㗎？乜你咁大頭蝦㗎？ How forgetful you are! Number 2, 冬瓜豆腐。冬瓜豆腐 literally means winter melon and tofu. You might think that it should be a healthy dishes. Maybe after my explanation, you won't want to try them. It is always a feast to comfort those people who have taken part in the funeral ceremony, which called 解穢酒. 解穢酒. But it's not a feast full of meat, but everything is quite simple and most of it is made of vegetables. So winter melon and tofu are necessary in this feast. Now we use it to describe something unfortunate that happened, like an accident. For example, parents always worrying that I will meet an accident. Then they will say, 如果你有咩冬瓜豆腐，我都唔知點算。如果你有咩冬瓜豆腐，我都唔知點算。如果 if 你 you 有咩 have what 冬瓜豆腐 accident 我都唔知點算 I don't know what should I do. I don't know what should I do if you made an accident. 如果你有咩冬瓜豆腐，我都唔知點算。Number 3, 水魚 soft-shelled turtles. Look at it. It looks cute and a little bit silly, right? Actually, they're not. There is a story between us. What's more, when people cut it, it's full of water, and water represents money for Cantonese. So we use it to describe someone has some money and is easily food. 佢根本就冇當你係朋友，佢當你係水魚咋。佢根本就冇當你係朋友，佢當你係水魚咋。佢 he 根本 not at all 冇當 doesn't regard it 你 you 係朋友 as friend 佢當你係水魚咋 he just regards you as soft-shelled turtles. Number 4, 鹹豬手 Wandering hands. Pig knuckles should be a delicious dishes. But as a woman, we hope that we won't meet a guide with 鹹豬手 on 樂山 and 楊貴妃 story gives us a reference of these hands. And pigs in Chinese culture are supposed to be horny, erotic. 鹹 originates from the Cantonese word 鹹濕. So 鹹豬手 is to use to describe someone's groping. 你着咁少，因住俾人鹹豬手啊！你着咁少，因住俾人鹹豬手啊！你 you 着咁少 have little on 因住 be careful 俾人鹹豬手啊 be groped 你着咁少因住俾人鹹豬手啊 you have little on be careful about being groped. 5, 大墨魚 Squid. We use another word to describe a pervert who is quite horny and erotic. 大墨魚 Squid. Maybe because 大墨魚 has lots of hands, there is no reference for it. And I only learned it from this TV show. Nowadays, it's not common to use this word to describe a horny person. 牛精, beef is jet. We do eat a lot of 雞精, chicken as jet before. But do you know beef is jet? 牛精, is it tasty? I don't know. But we use 牛精 to describe someone who is bored-headed. Because 牛 is quite stubborn sometimes. So we could say this word. 個細路仔人仔細細就咁牛精，第日點算啊？個細路仔人仔細細就咁牛精，第日點算啊？個細路仔，the kid 人仔細細，so young 咁牛精，so bored-headed。第日點算啊？第日 the other day。In the future 點算 what should we do？ 第日點算啊 what should we do in the future？ 個細路仔人仔細細就咁牛精，第日點算啊 The kid is so young but very bored-headed. What should we do in the future? So that's what we learned today. So do you want to know more slang in Cantonese? If you want, just share and like me to support me so that I could have more energy to do more video for you. Okay? See you next time. Bye bye.